How to change language on Amazon app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change language on Amazon app. To change the language on Amazon app, first of all open your Amazon application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you'll land on this home page. Here at the bottom, you'll be able to locate the profile icon. Tap on the profile icon and then you will be taken to this page. Here at the top right, you'll be able to see your currently selected country. Tap on it and upon selecting it, you will be taken to this page where you will be able to locate the language option. Tap on the language option and now from the list of this available language, select your desired language. After selecting the preferred language, you will be returned back to this page and then here you will be able to see your updated language. Once after selecting it, now here in this page, tap on this yellow button at the bottom which is done. Once doing that, now you will return back to this main screen and then now the app interface will display in your selected language. So by following these steps, you should be able to change the language on your Amazon app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.